Welcome back to GIS Basics. So today we are making a point density map by using COVID-19 data. So yeah, let's open ArcMap. So what is point density map? Point density map is a map where you can just read the data by just analyzing points on the map. It's very easy to read the data from this. It will show the density of occurrence just by analyzing points on the map. So the first thing you will need is COVID-19 cases data, which you can just download from internet. I actually entered every single data individually in Excel. Let me show you. So this is the Excel file I made myself. This was not available online, so I had to make this. One thing you will have to remember. We will be going to add this to save file of the map of Nepal. So for joining Excel file to save file, we will need one of these columns to be exactly same with the it should exactly match with the save file which you are going to join. Okay, so here I have make this symbol number same. This will help to attach the file with the another file. So yeah, this is it. And ArcMap is also open. You can now open your ArcMap and just open a blank page. So first thing we are going to do is just add the district save file, the one you have, the map of Nepal, divided by districts. So here I have, you can join yours. Okay, so now we will also be needing Excel file that I just showed you. Okay. We'll also add this. You don't have to have this only COVID data. You can also do it with population data or maybe any other kind of data. You can use that. Okay, just choose the sheet. And now let's see, we will join this Excel file to this district save file. Okay, so for this at first let me show you the attribute table. Okay. So now here you can see this district name, area and perimeter, and this is the ID. And okay, I was sorry, there was a disturbance. I was showing you that I am joining these two files on the basis of this. Okay, you can have these district names match each other, or maybe any other thing. Yeah, oh, I forgot that. You can do this. You can join these two files either by going to attribute table. Here you can just click on this corner thing, and here is this add field. You can sorry maybe you can just skip this and just go to either way. You will see this dialog box which will ask you choose the field in this layer that the join will be based on. Likewise, I said that I am joining on the base of this FID, and it will automatically show which is similar to this one on the SN in the Excel file. Okay, so just click the OK. Okay, now you can see, just confirm by here. Now it's joined, right? Okay, so another thing we have to do here is if you don't have this, you don't need to do this, but I have these unnecessary columns, so let me just remove them, or you can just leave them as it is. Okay, let's not waste time. And now it's saved. These two files are joined temporarily, but for making it permanent, we will have to export this data. For that, right click on the file you just joined and go to data and just export data. Okay, and now you will just have to select the location where you want to save this, and the name name of the will ask like this, and just click S. Now what we'll have to do is, it is joined but it is not shown here, right? So for showing this showing the point data, you will have to go right click on the joined the latest file we created, and just go to properties. Okay, yeah, in properties, the just go to symbology, this one, and here you can see it's showing single symbol because it's all purple. That's why it is just single symbol. Okay, we will have to go to quantities, and in other videos I have shown where to use these graduated colors, but now as we are doing point density, so go to this dot density. Okay, so here we have a different this area per so sorry, I didn't realize that it wasn't recording. So let me tell you once again. So here you see this box where you can see area, perimeter, SN and COVID case. As we are using only COVID case data, so just select this and press this one to just bring it here. Okay, so now you can see here is dot size and dot value. Dot size don't really matter, it's just the size of dot. You can put it anything, and this dot value also you can keep it anything, like what you want to give a value of one dot. And size or anything, and also you can change the color of background and making it green, and also you can just experiment with these things. Let's see, right? So I like the simple one. So okay. And yeah, you can just experiment with these all features and all, and like this you can you have your point density map. You can see the areas outside these outskirts are a bit less scarce. I mean the cases are far less than the center region, the Kathmandu region. Also the mountain regions have far less cases than Thorai region. So this is it. Yeah, you can experiment, you can learn more by experimenting. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching.